But you know what? Little mistakes here and there. It's fine. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I in your face? So hey guys, welcome to another project of mine. So for this project, we're going to be doing something I've always wanted to do. We're going to build a computer from the ground up. I have never built a computer before in my life, so this is going to be a learning experience. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm excited. You got some boxes over here. Got some boxes and some other stuff in here. So we're going to take all these pieces and we're going to put them in here. I finally got everything situated. I put the power supply in. You know, everything looks nice and tidy with the board and everything. So I don't really have anything else to plug in. I don't think I've forgotten anything. Yeah, so I think it's time to close it up, turn it on, see what's gonna happen. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. I pray that I've plugged everything in correctly. So, here we go. Oh, look at that. And it's running. Yay! And so I've got Windows 10 installing right now. Ooh, looks freaking awesome. Yes. Yeah, I'm really happy. It took me 3 days. You know, it was fun as a first-time builder. You know, it's not as difficult as I thought it would be. There were definitely problems that came up that I should have been on the lookout for. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the result. This is exactly what I envisioned my computers would look like. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see me do more things like this, there's plenty of more things to do for me to do that I've never done before. So if you want to see me build and do random things that I've always wanted to do, feel free to like and subscribe. There's definitely going to be more things happening like this, so stick around. As far as experience going in building this thing, it's not terribly bad. I'm actually enjoying myself quite a bit. I'm learning a lot of things, and I think that's the important part of this whole thing. It's just me learning crap.